Two jobs in my youth stand out: selling coffee and donuts to workers at age 12 and draft counseling at age 16. Welcome to Health Hats, the podcast. I'm Danny Van Leeuwen, a two-legged, cisgender, old white man of privilege who knows a little bit about a lot of healthcare and a lot about very little. I started a summer coffee and donut business. My mother loaned me money to buy a PF Flyer wagon and the first batch of ground coffee, donuts, cups, and utensils. Our Unitarian church loaned me a large coffee maker. I served workers building my new local school. My first pro bono job was at 16 when I learned to draft counsel young men seeking to manage the draft or home on leave from Vietnam trying to get out. My goal was to manage my impending draft. When I went to a downtown Detroit church for counseling, the program director suggested learning to be a counselor for myself. I did. I learned the critical skill of profound knowledge of regulations to better serve people making critical decisions and managing their lives. Two other milestones in my career come to mind. I led the implementation of an integrated electronic health record, EHR, for an addiction treatment provider that also managed behavioral health benefits for a local insurance provider. I had never done anything previously with EHRs, tech data, medical records, or apps. I learned to stubbornly insist on core data set cleansing before implementation and the benefits and challenges of a cross-functional stakeholder steering committee. Thanks to one of my best bosses and friends, the late Robert Doherty, and a friend and colleague, June Richardson, for the opportunity. I don't believe in bucket lists much, so I've only had a few things on that list. Having my work referenced by someone else. I found a citation in a book on patient safety from my original research published in a national journal. See the show notes for more information. Mentor some staff to meet their career goals. I prevented the layoff of 3 staff members by taking the layoff myself and engineering their promotion into management positions. The penultimate passion in my bucket was to be a good man to a good woman, together raising sons, married to strong partners who are excellent partners, who are excellent fathers. Bingo. Okay, my follows and subscribers who ask me for more about me, ta-da! I feel spent. Thanks, Leon, for stirring this up. I am so proud of you. I host, write, and produce Health Hats the podcast with assistance from Kayla Nelson and Leon and Oscar Van Leeuwen. Music from Joey Van Leeuwen. I play Barry sax on some episodes alone or with the Lechuga Fresca Latin Band. I'm grateful to you who have the critical roles as listeners, readers, and watchers. Subscribe and contribute. If you like it, share it. See you around the block.